Is it working?
Squidgy, it's getting squishy.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna come in.
Tell them what we're doing here. We are trying to microwave our pizza with
Without a microwave.
Without a microwave. With blow dryers instead.
It's a blow wave.
It's a new way. It's
blow wave.
It's
It's a
the
blow wave.
future of heating pizza.
It's called a blow wave.
Blow wave.
Blow wave.
Right.
See this? It blows. You see the waves? It blows.
Oh, blow wave.
Blow wave. Blow wave.
Yeah, it hurts like hell, doesn't it? Is it hot?
Boom.
I'll try it after. That's smart as shit. Is it hot yet?
I don't touch it.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Alright. Let me try it real quick. I'm gonna heat up the tip.
Heat up the crust.
Blow dryer fight. Okay, alright. Turn it off. Alright. Test bite. Test bite. Turn off.
I don't like how you smack when you eat.
How is it? It's a little cold over here. But actually, it's not that bad. It's really not. Try
Tastes
it.
like a blow dryer.
Try it.
Does it have that blow dryer aftertaste?
No.
You know, like a microwave has a
It
microwave
has a pizza
aftertaste.
aftertaste. It's not that bad.
The cheese could be melted a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Alfie.
Okay. Let me get the underside.
Yeah.
More blow dryer. Turn that shit on.
Ow!
哦
Oh,